Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Analytics with Upendra. Today we are going to check how filter context and row context will work. Last time we have checked difference between the calculated measure and the calculated column. So continue with the DAX series. We are going to check on today how the context will work. So just we have two types of context, that is filter and row context. So the major difference is like a filter context filter the table in your data model, and if you see about the row context it's iterate the row by row, we can say. DAX filter context when dimensions are added to the row, column, slicer and filters in the report. In the other way, on the other side, row context will work when the calculated columns add to your data model side. So what it exactly means, that we'll check in a practical example. Before that, just we'll check the what are the two main difference. Calculated can be used to systematically create and modify the filter context. In other way, for row context, iterator function like a sumx, rankx, this function used to row context to evaluate row by row or level calculation, we can say. And also there is one difference we can consider for the filter context. It will propagate or it will travel one to many site in a table relationship. For row context, it doesn't automatically propagate to the table relationship. We have to use the related and related table function for the row context. So that is the main difference between row filter and row context. For the more clarification, we'll go to the Power BI desktop and we'll see how row and filter context will work. Let's move to the Power BI desktop. See, here we have, just a minute. See, here we have one table, have a have the information of like a salesperson year and the sales amount. We are able to see here one slicer used. If you particularly check on this value of this sales like a 3488, so how it comes, how it evaluated. As we are able to see here, we have one table here and then slicer. So if you're able to see, we have the information of the person and the year and the sales amount. If we particularly check on this sale 122.22, so how it evaluated, we can see internally this filter is applied like a, it's for the Alex person, this value comes for the Alex per person and for the year 2024. And if you see the external person like a slicer is applied, I mean this filter gaming accessories is applied. So other way we can see, and if there is another filter like I mean page level, report level or visual level filter if applied, so then this value will come. So this is how, or uh, yeah, this is how it will show the evaluated value in filter context. Okay, now we'll just check the row context, how it will work and how we can understand this. Just go to the table view. So yeah, here we are able to see the product count and the sales amount, and this is the person names. So what we want to do, we have to we have to analyze the product sales by the individual. So what we can do, we can multiply this count with the sales amount, then this I mean this column will populate. If we'll multiply 1 into 188.8, so this is a this will be the result for these, I mean these two values. So it will work row by row. If we go to the next row, so 319 into 9 into 2, then we'll get this 638 value. So this is how it will work row by row. So this is the main difference between the row context and filter context. Here the context will work row by row. I hope you got the concept on row context and filter context. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.